What's up, everybody? It's TEKTHRILL, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something a little different, a 5-minute AI engineering audit. Now, whether you're knee-deep in AI development or just starting to explore the tech, this quick checkup is designed to make sure your AI systems are in tip-top shape. Think of it like a routine checkup, but for your AI. We're going to run through 5 key checkpoints together, ensuring everything's running smoothly and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First up is the foundation of any AI system, your data. We're talking about making sure the data you're feeding your AI is clean, accurate, and up to date. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a house on a shaky foundation, right? Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. We need to make sure you're starting with solid data. We're talking about checking for things like missing values, inconsistencies, and outdated information. Remember, even the most sophisticated AI is only as good as the data it learns from. So take a close look at your data sources, cleaning processes, and make sure you're implementing some robust validation checks along the way. Now let's talk about your AI's performance. It's time to put your models to the test. We want to see how well they're actually performing against your expectations. Are they achieving the accuracy you need? Are they making predictions efficiently? This is all about measuring key metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, all those juicy details that tell us how well your AI is doing its job. It's not just about hitting a single metric, though. It's about understanding the trade-offs between different factors like speed and accuracy. How does your model perform in real-world scenarios? Remember, AI is an iterative process. You've got to constantly test, evaluate, and fine-tune your models to ensure they're performing at their best. Next up, we're tackling a crucial aspect of AI bias and fairness. We need to make sure your AI systems are treating everyone fairly and not perpetuating harmful biases. It's about identifying and mitigating any unintended